third-party collection company is legally obligated to be sure they have verified this debt. They need to know that this debt is valid and true in order to collect on it. However, what we find in working with many of our clients is these agencies haven't done the due diligence or don't have that information on file when they've purchased the debt. If a collection agency does not have proof that you owe this debt, they cannot collect on it. They cannot come after you for that debt, and they must remove it from your credit report. This is something that we help our clients uncover and figure out, as it's really important to know what constitutes as a proper validation or a proper verification of that debt. But it is important to know that if you just go and you make a payment to that third-party collection agency without verifying or validating that debt, getting proof that you owe that debt, you may not have needed to pay in the first place. So it is important to make sure you do that. There are also several laws around how they must notify you once they purchase the debt. I implore you to learn a bit more about the Fair Credit Reporting Act and Fair Debt Collections Practices Act if you do find that there is a collection on your credit report, or go to an expert like us and we can help you figure that out in more depth.